Fish, mammals, reptiles, birds. What's the last one?
Amphibians.
Amphibians. What do all of those categories fit under? What are they all? What do they all have in common, Noah? They are animals. Okay, so today we're going to learn about one certain kind of animal. Eduardo and Kendra, sit on your bottom. Today we're going to learn about one certain kind of animal. We're going to learn about penguins. Who here loves penguins? Okay, hands down, hands down. Okay, we're going to start with a K-W-L. Everybody say K. K-W-L. The K stands for what do I know about penguins? Everyone say, what do I say, what do I know about penguins? So we're going to fill out the K. We're going to fill out what we know about penguins. Then we're going to fill out what do I want to know about penguins. So we're going to fill out the W. And then I made the L the biggest section because the L is what did I learn about penguins. The L, we're going to put in what we learned, and I want you guys to learn lots and lots and lots. So
They have wings.
wings, they have wings. Can they fly?
No.
Can they fly?
Yeah.
Why don't we put that under want? Why don't we put that under what we want to know? Can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? Can they fly? Gisela, do you have any more K? Do we know anything more about Cameron? Come sit right here. You have a K? Tell me, what do you have? They're cold. Where are they cold? What do you mean by cold? They live in the cold. Live in cold. Good. Speaking of cold, what do we know about birds' blood? What do we know about birds' blood? Gracie? Are they warm-blooded or are they cold-blooded?
I'm pretty sure they're warm.
They are warm-blooded. So if birds are warm-blooded and a penguin is a bird, what do we know about penguins? They're warm-blooded. Warm-blooded. Good. Does anyone know anything else about penguins that we can put up here? Jeremiah?
They only waddle because they can't run.
They waddle. They waddle. Wait till I call on you. They waddle. Gracie?
They have to breathe air. They have to breathe air. They go in water, but they have to breathe air.
Good, they breathe air. What do we know? How do birds breathe? What do they breathe with?
Lungs.
Lungs. So if birds have lungs and a penguin is a bird, what do we know about penguins? How do they breathe, Reese? They breathe with lungs. Okay. I want you guys to tell me, because I know you all know this, what do we know about the way penguins look? What color are penguins, Noah?
Black and white.
Black and white.
I don't know the song Black and White.
What, are there any other colors on them, Emma?
Yellow.
Yellow, where is the yellow? Do you know? Okay.
On their feet.
Okay.
We'll do. On their feet.
Yellow, because that's another color on them, Landon.
Yes.
Jeremiah, we did our K. What's something you want to know about penguins?
What degrees it is every day.
Okay. How cold is there? Does anybody know what a place that an animal lives in is called? It starts, I'll give you a hint. It starts with Jeremiah? It starts with habitat. How cold is their habitat? We know it's cold, but how cold? What else do we want to know about penguins? What else do we want to know? If I had a pet penguin, to know what I'm supposed to feed it, right? Right? So maybe we should put under double, what do penguins eat, Noah?
Fish.
Well, maybe we know they eat fish, but maybe they eat more than fish, and we don't know that, or what kinds of fish. So under the W, let's do what do penguins eat? Do all? I have a question for you. Are all animals of the same kind the exact same? No. Because are all humans the exact same? No. So I wonder if some penguins eat one kind of fish and some penguins eat another kind of fish. Would that be interesting to find out? Maybe we could write, what are the differences between some penguins, right? Turn to your partner. And, okay, you turn to Sean. Turn to your partner. Everybody do it now so I can make sure you have a partner. Okay, talk to your partner. I want every group to try and come up with either one more K or one more W. Got it? Kendra, come talk to Javier. Come up with one more K or one more W. K is what we know. K is what we know. What do we know about?
If the fishes are this big, they could eat it in one tree. I have a connection, okay?
Okay. Knees and eyes, knees and eyes, knees, knees. Knees, knees. Okay. Did anyone come up with another K or another W? Kylie?
On Super Mario Bros. U, when you get the penguin suit, you can actually slide on your belly like a penguin.
Who told us earlier that they like to slide? Gisela, I think you told us that they slide. Where did you see that, Gisela? Where did you see a penguin slide? Do you remember? At the zoo. Well, speaking of the zoo, the Kansas City Zoo does something pretty cool that I want you guys to see. Kirsten, okay, I want you to raise your hand and tell me, what observations are you making about the penguins? Emma? Water. Emma sees water. Raise your hand and I'll call on you. What other observations are we making of penguins? Cameron?
In the water.
They're living in the water. Sean? There's snow. So it must be, if there's snow, it must be cold. Jeremiah, what else are you noticing?
Giant rocks.
Giant rocks. Reese?
They like the cold and they can like to swim.
Yep. Look at this one walking. What is it doing?
Waddling.
It's waddling. Waddling. Waddling is what you guys do when you walk on the ice so you don't fall. So maybe, why do we think the penguins are waddling? Noah?
So they don't slip and
So
fall.
they don't slip and fall. Yeah. Okay, what else are we noticing at the penguins? What are we noticing up here? Right here. What is this penguin doing? And one just went that way. What are they doing?
Swimming.
Swimming. They're under the water. Do you think that, I don't know the answer to this. I need your guys' help figuring it out. When they're underwater, are they breathing underwater or are they breathing above water?
Above.
Eduardo?
Above.
Above water. How do we know that they're breathing above water? What do we know about birds that tells us that they breathe above water? Noah?
Lungs.
Lungs. And just like humans, lungs don't work very well underwater, do they?
I saw one go that way.
Yeah. What else do we see on these penguins? What is on their head? What color is on their head that kind of looks like a headband? White. There's kind of a white headband. What is this on their face right there? What is this? Emma?